I was a man behind a wall of stone. Years went by, I stood alone. Love was just a ghost I'd chase, a shadow I could not embrace. But then you walked into my days with simple words and softer ways. No sudden storm, no burning flame, just warmth enough to melt the shame. Now I'm open again because of you. No more shadows, no more blues. You turned the cold into something warm, gave a soul to what was warm. You're the reason I breathe with ease, the calm that came and brought me peace. Darling, you broke through strong and true, and I'm open again because of you. Never thought I'd smile this way again. Your love rewrote what I thought would end. From a heart that once refused to try, to one that reaches for your sky. Now every day feels brand new, like a melody only you knew. Played it soft, but it rang so true, and it led me straight to you. There were doors I swore I'd never touch, locked them tight, said love's too much, but your presence made the silence sing, and hearts like mine begin to spring. Now I'm open again because of you. No more shadows, no more blues. You turned the cold into something warm, gave a soul to what was warm. You're the reason I breathe with ease, the calm that came and brought me